How to change group chat name on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. The Messages app allows users to send and receive text messages, photos, videos, and other media with other iPhone users via iMessage or with non-Apple devices via SMS or MMS. It also supports features like group messaging, voice messages, and the ability to schedule messages. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Open any group chat from here as shown. Here, tap on the group name at the top. On this page, tap on Change Name and Photo. You can now enter a new group name over here. You can also add in a group profile photo or an emoji as well if you want. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Then, tap on Done again. Following these steps, you can easily change group chat name on iPhone.